Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the first day I'm working in my new office, so I thought it would be fun to vlog it and just see where the day takes us. This is what I'm wearing today. I have this cute little vintage Talbot's sweater on, a cute white ribbed tank top, and high-waisted mom shorts that are from Zara that I actually got at Plato's Closet, and of course the official footwear of Megan's reselling business, bunny slippers. Okay, here's my office right now as it looks. I have more stuff coming in, more rearranging is going to be done, but as of today, my first day of work, this is what it looks like. That chair is actually our dining chair. My swivel chair is going to be in the mail, but you'll have already seen it in my last video, which, or I don't know if it's going to be my last video, but a video that will be posted previous to this one is my office transformation, and you'll see my new chair in that one. But yeah, here we go. First day of work at my brand new office. This is the perspective from my desk. Of course, I try to drink this whole thing every day. This is like a 64-ounce water bottle, which I say you're supposed to drink 64 ounces a day. So, I mean, it's like 8 glasses a day, right? And that's like this. So, yeah, see if we can finish that today. And, yeah, we just need to really find a white backdrop so I can photograph some clothes. The first thing we are going to be doing today is I'm going to edit the beginning of my vlog because it is a transformation of my office and the first stuff is done. Now I'm just waiting for things to come into the mail, so realistically this video is going to probably be done in a week, so I might as well edit all the clips I have now, so when the end of the week comes I just have a few more clips to add on. So that is what we're going to do first. Okay, so I finished editing the first part of my vlog office transformation. Honestly, I've never filmed or edited something like this, and it was actually a lot of fun. So it's 10 minutes so far, and it took me an hour to edit all this stuff, so that's exciting. Got some good things coming. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna focus on processing these clothes. I really need to find a white backdrop. I used to have one, but I guess the old apartment I lived in had a white wall, so I'm thinking that I got rid of my white photo background because I didn't need it anymore, which was dumb because now I need one. But yeah, I gotta go look for it. Maybe it's in my storage unit, I'm not sure. But yeah, my goal today is to process those clothes, and then in the closet in there, a lot of those bags that were on the floor were clothes that needed to be processed that are living in there at the current moment until I process them and put them on the rack. So naturally I got distracted. I went on Poshmark, and because I love Shack Fancy, I always click on the newly listed, and this girl listed this a Love Shack Fancy dress for $50. I didn't even send an offer. I bought it outright. You can see she literally posted it 8 minutes ago. I already bought it. That is such a good deal. Oh my god. It's a small. Usually I'm an extra small. And I figure if it doesn't fit, still it was 60 bucks. I can definitely get my money back and resell it myself. So yeah, I'm super excited for this to come in. And not really what I planned on buying today, but sometimes you just have to when you see it. So okay, the dress I just bought is the Belle dress. So I quickly looked up solds on it on Poshmark. Here we go, 140, 225. Those are the blue colorway. But let's keep scrolling because I did see one in the striped colorway. Here it is. Here's the striped one that I just got, $240. As you can see, these other ones, $175, $130, $185. I'm needed to buy it for myself, but we can always resell it too, if, like I said, if it doesn't fit. But yeah, that was unexpected, and I'm really excited for it to come in the mail now. So this is how I process my clothes. So I have a big bag of clothes here. Honestly, most of this is stuff that's from my personal closet that I went through, because we were moving, I wanted to downgrade some stuff. So I went through my personal closet. Here's a bunch of clothes here. And basically how I process all my clothes is I type the title, and then I'll put the size, and then I put the weight for eBay. I don't measure tops. I do measure pants, and then this one, because it was a petite size, I did the pit to hem so people know how long it is, because it is more special sizing. But for this, basically what I do, I just write it out. So this is a Victoria's Secret pink shirt, Victoria's Secret pink green, Irish St. Patrick's Day shirt, I weigh it on here, and then once I do that, I put it in here. So all these are in order of this list. So when I hang it backwards. And that way, when I am listing on eBay, everything's exactly in order as my photos. So when I'm uploading, it's really easy. And yeah, that's kind of how I list my stuff. But yeah, as I'm going through them, I set all the pants aside because those I measure. This is like the template I use for my pants. So it has the same thing, size and weight, but then this is the different part where it goes measurements, waist, rise, and inseam. This part I directly like copy and paste into my descriptions when I'm listing, and then yeah, so there's all that, so the buyer has all that information. And I typically only measure pants because I feel like pants is one of those things where like kind of like your size differs depending on the brand, so that's why I always measure them. Or I feel like shirts, it's like a small, extra small, you know what I mean? So I measure the pants. I have these Lululemon leggings, so I'm just gonna measure them on my desk with my tape measure, put them in here, and then they'll go there. Also, while I work, I'm watching this. I highly recommend this channel, Hot Labode, if you guys have never heard of it. So basically, he is like really like, he does fashion videos, and he's really smart, and he knows a lot of like history and stuff on fashion, and like it's like really entertaining to watch, but it's also fun because I feel like learning about fashion is important when you're a reseller. So yeah, just been watching this. Took a short break. I cleaned the bunny cage. They're all nice and happy and eating hay. And I made myself a leftover chicken tender I had for a snack. And then it's back to work. They're so happy about their clean cage. Right, Theo? Right, Rico? There we are. Okay, so the clothes are finally all hung up, and now it's time to steam them, and then we gotta figure out that whole photo wall situation. Like, I don't know what to do because I don't have my thing. Do I order it on Amazon? But then that takes a while to get here, and I really just want to photograph them today. Do I just put up a white sheet? I'm uncertain, but we're gonna steam this, and then we're gonna figure that out. Okay, so I just finished steaming all the clothes, and I'm gonna go to my storage unit to see if my white thing is there so I can hang it and photograph, because like I really want to photograph, but we really need a white background. So this is kind of annoying, but once I get that figured out, everything will go by a lot faster. I'm going to photograph these, package them, send out offers on Poshmark, share my closet. So we still have a couple things to do today, but we're nearing the end, which I'm excited about because I just want to relax. I'm going to read a good book, although I am going to listen to a really good audiobook while I'm photographing, so at least it'll be bearable. From the storage unit, it is almost 5 o'clock, which means I'm getting tired, so we're making another cup of coffee. I always like to have it in the morning, one in the afternoon, and oh my god, this creamer is to die for. Usually I like an oat milk creamer, but they didn't have any pumpkin spice oat milk creamer, so I got this almond milk creamer instead, and it's really good. So we had success at the storage unit. I did find my white wall thing, so I'm really happy. I need to get that hung up so I can start photographing today. And then my Amazon package was here when I got home. I got these, which I'm going to try for reselling. I think I saw some people mention these like on Facebook that they like to use these to clean up shoes. I have a bunch of shoes that need to be cleaned up, so with this, and then I recently got Goo Gone over there to like get that sticker residue off. I'm going to clean up some shoes. I don't know about today, maybe tomorrow, but we'll see. This and I'll let you guys know how that goes. Because, you know, if this works for cleaning up shoes and it does some magical things, you know, I want to keep you posted. Okay, and then here we have a frame for my college diploma. So I graduated May 2020, and I just never framed my diploma or did anything with it. And when we were moving, I found my diploma, and it was like, and I was like, wait, what's this? Because it was still in the mailing envelope, and I opened it. I was like, oh shit, it's my diploma. So I'm going to frame it. I want to hang it on the wall. Probably not going to hang it today because like I like my boyfriend to do all the hanging. I don't know. I don't trust myself. Oh my god. Sorry. So I just got a notification on Poshmark while I'm doing this. Someone accepted my offer on this Fendi suit. I sent them an offers to likers on a Fendi suit. It was $200. I had it priced at. I sent them an offer for $180 and free shipping, and they accepted. So that's super exciting. But anyway, yeah, where was I? Oh yeah, a diploma. We're gonna frame it. We're not gonna hang it today, but it will be hung. You'll probably see it in my office tour video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, and I totally forgot about the closet because it has a door. I'm not used to the space. I'm not used to having a closet that's closed off, and this is where I was gonna keep my inventory that was to be processed. So then when I processed all of that inventory over there, I totally forgot about all the inventory in here. Oops, yeah, there you go. And yeah, but honestly, that's like filled with shoes and hard goods. That's filled with shoes that need the magic eraser, so that's gonna be done tomorrow. A lot of that's flat lays, so we only have really one bag of clothes, and it's not even like completely full, so I don't think it's like the end of the world, but I'm just like, oh, I was like so happy. It's like, it's all done. All I need to do is photograph, and it was gonna be a short day. Not short day, but like, you know, the day was gonna be over, but now we gotta deal with this whole bag, and then let's see, deal with it. We gotta like measure it, weigh it, steam it, hang it. Those are not the correct orders. And then we get to photograph it finally, and then package everything. So fun day. At least I made myself another cup of coffee, and maybe after that one, another cup of coffee. Okay, so the stuff I have to process that's in this bag is actually from a Goodwill. I went during it was like right before Labor Day or something. Yeah, it was like, I think it was like, or it was Labor Day. I don't fully remember. But it was 50% off the whole store. I never filmed a haul on it because I didn't get very much stuff. It wasn't there very long. But this is what I did get. I'll show you super quickly. Athleta skirt, Ivivva legging, Lululemon Kids, cool vintage one piece for Depop. The pants by Hawaiian Pizza Apparel, cute little Halloween pants. New with tags, Athleta tank top. Lauren Ralph Lauren silver heels. That's what the bottom looks like. Pretty good condition. Okay, after talking about it all day, we are finally photographing. The photo wall is up. They pinned it at the top, put a nail in there to hang my hanger. We have the lights, we have the rack. It's time to get to work. And to help me get through this process, this is what I am listening to right now. Anxious People by Frederick Backman. This, well, you can see I'm almost an hour into it, but I listened to it on 1.4 speed, and yeah, it is a really good book. Like, it has me hooked. Highly recommend. It's gonna make photographing this rack bearable. I honestly like can't even tell you guys like how happy I am coming from such a small apartment to living in this big house, having my own office. Like, this is such a beautiful sight when I'm photographing. Like, when I turn around, we got my bookshelves, my desk. Like, oh my god, when I was photographing in my last apartment, so like I literally had the Z-Rack up against my bed, and I had like one wall clear, and then the whole apartment turned into a disaster area when I was photographing, and it just feels so good just to like have my own office space. And it's just, oh, this is like my first day in here, my first day getting real work done, and oh my god, that was weird. And I'm just like so incredibly thankful for this office. Like, oh my god. It's just funny, like living in such a small space, I was fine doing it, but now that I'm in a bigger space, I am just so appreciative of it. But everything is photographed. I'm so happy about that because now I can package it so much closer to the end of my work day. And yeah, I'm just happy we're coming to the end. The only thing I'm not packaging is this dress. Not dress, it's like a vest thing. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna try it on because I think I have a really cute outfit idea with this. I'm gonna try it on and you'll see if you like it, I'll see if I like it. Because my cousin, he just graduated college, and we're going to a lunch or whatever, and I want to be like cute but in fall, but it's Florida and it's really hot out, but we'll see. Okay, so all the packaging is done, which means the work day is over, and I'm really happy because I've been working all day. I want to chill, I want to relax, and I'm gonna go try on that outfit, see if it looks good, make some dinner. But the work day is over. I just have to like clean up my office now because whenever I photograph, it just always turns into a disaster area. Okay, so here is the outfit I was thinking of wearing with this like vest thing. So basically, since it's like a dress length, I just threw a turtleneck underneath it and paired it with these like chunky boots. And I think this is a pretty cute outfit that I think I'm gonna wear. Hopefully it's not super hot, so you know, whatever. The lunch is inside. Well, graduation, lunch, celebration, whatever. It's inside, so I think I'll be okay in the long sleeves. But yeah, this is my version of Florida fall. You know, still good for the warm weather, but also cute in fall. Although I feel like all black is more of a winter thing, but oh well, we're not going to pay attention to that. We're back in my office because I just opened my Amazon orders and I framed my diploma. I'm so excited. It looks so good. Sorry, like there's like the reflection, but Florida Gulf Coast University College of Arts and Sciences has conferred upon Megan Gaddis cum laude the degree of Bachelor of Arts in Communication. I had a minor in marketing, which is not reflected on here, which I mean, it's a diploma, that's why. But yeah, I did. I graduated with communications with a concentration in public relations and a minor in marketing. I also tried to do like a double minor in real estate, so I did take 1 or 2 real estate classes, and then I like ended up dropping the minor and just did the marketing and the communications PR. But yeah, exciting! I'm so happy. I can't wait to hang it on the wall. All right, everybody, it is 9:30 p.m. We started this vlog at 10 a.m. It is the end of my workday, the end of this vlog. And yeah, I'm just gonna make some dinner, read my book. Despite what the cover you might think when you look at this cover, it's not a romance novel. It is book 5 in the Mortal Instruments series. It's called City of Lost Souls. The Mortal Instruments series is like a YA fantasy, and it's really what got me into fantasy. This is like the first like fantasy series I ever read, and I really like it. I'm on book 5. There's 6 books. I can't wait to get done with this one because I want to read the 6th one, but the 6th one is like really big. I think it's like 700 pages or something, so like we're gonna save that for a different month. It's one of those things, I've been binging the whole series, and then like now that like I'm at the end, I'm kind of like over it, but it's like my fault for binging it, you know what I mean? So the last one, I'm gonna wait to read it, so like I'm not like dragging my feet through it, because that's how I kind of feel about this book at the moment. Although this was originally supposed to be a trilogy, then it turned into a whole series, so like the last 3 books were just kind of like added on, so it's like, are they really that good? I don't know. I really like the first 4. This 5th one's kind of unsure about, but that's like so not relevant because you guys don't even know what this book series is about, but maybe one of you knows what this book series is about and it is relevant to you. So anyway, that's the end of this vlog. Subscribe for more reseller content like this video if you liked vlogs and you want more of them. I'm just gonna be making some dinner, and I will see you guys in the next video, whether that's a vlog or a what sold video, or maybe it's gonna be a haul video. I'm not really sure yet.